Hello, darling felters. LeBrie Rich with PenFelt Studio here. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to make a classic gingerbread man using the craft of needle felting. I've been felting for about 15 years and I've developed some favorite tools and materials. I'll start this class by introducing you to my favorites. We'll make use of actual gingerbread cookie cutters to make it easy to form the shape of your cookie. Needle felting with wool is such a tactile pleasure. I'll show you how to sculpt the fiber and to get a really smooth finish on your felt. The decorating is of course up to you, but I'll show you some nice easy techniques that you can use for whatever design you choose. We'll be working with some yarn and I'll be twisting and manipulating it to make the piping on the cookie. There are so many fun directions that you could take this design. I hope you join me for the cookie party. Happy felting!